Visitors come to enjoy Rapid City and the Black Hills for its beauty in the summer months. However, we also have another season, obviously winter, and winter provides a whole new beauty of the Black Hills and Rapid City. With M Hill and the Skyline Trail system, it's a great opportunity to take advantage of the new beauty of the hills and experiences that you can have with you and your family while hiking and enjoying Rapid City. One of the important things to remember in the winter when you're going out for a hike is to make sure that you have the appropriate layers on. Because in the winter months, you are still going to get warm, you're still going to sweat, and so you need to wick that moisture away from your body. I would recommend starting with a mid-weight layered base layer. After we've determined the type of base layer that you want to wear, the next thing we do is we need to find a nice pair of pants that will protect us from the wind, keep us warm, but still have good wicking material and options as well. The next area we need to cover is what you're going to wear for the top half. Now this here is a nice lightweight jacket that does have some down in it. Keeps you nice and warm, especially in Rapid City when you're hiking around like up on M Hill. The sun's out on one side. This is a nice jacket just to keep you warm, your core warm. You're not going to get overly hot, but it does a good job. It keeps you to have your mobility so you can enjoy your hike. Now as you're hiking along, you might want to take one of these other jackets here with you in a bag or whatnot, because when you cross over the ridge on the other side of M Hill, maybe you're on the side without the sun, something to stop the wind will keep you extremely warm. These are just some of the examples of ways you can layer yourself and be prepared to enjoy winter adventures out here in Rapid City and in the Black Hills. All these things, and these clothing things we showed you, you can also use those if you want to use a fat tire bike and go ride on the Skyline Trails or M Hill here in town, or anywhere out in the Black Hills. So please have fun, come enjoy Rapid City.